Hello dear students, how are you? I'm pretty good today. Okay, today in this lesson or in this class, I'm gonna ask you what do you want. Okay, and you just have to give me the response that what do you want at that moment. Okay, can I ask you some questions regarding what do you want? Okay, I'm gonna ask you some questions regarding the sentence structure of what do you want? What do you want? So you are going to give me the answers now. So are you ready for that? So how many of you are going to perform now? Please show me your hands. Okay, so first of all, I would like to ask the questions to Mardin. Would you like to stand for me, dear? Would you like to stand?
Yes.
Make it louder. Would you like to stand, dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you the questions using the structure of what do you want, and right after that you have to give me the answers by using the structure of I wanna or I want. Right? Okay. What do you wanna eat?
I wanna eat candies.
What do you wanna eat?
I wanna eat candies.
You wanna eat candies? That's a good one. Have a round of applause for Marvin. Now I would love to ask Ayan. Would you like to come over here, Ayan? Okay. If I'm gonna ask you, the question should be just like that. What do you wanna play?
I wanna play football.
Do you wanna play football in a real sense?
Yeah. Yes, I do.
That's a good one. Have a round of applause for Ayan. Now it's for girls squared. Are you ready? The question should be for Rubaya. Rubaya, are you ready for that? Okay. So what do you wanna watch, dear?
I wanna watch cartoons.
Cartoons? That's for sure. Thank you very much. Have a round of applause for Rubaya. And now, who wanna give the answers? Who wants to give the answers now? I'm gonna ask the questions. Who will be the performer here now? Okay, Rafia, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Okay, the question is for you. What do you wanna write? What do you wanna write?
I wanna write and
You wanna write a letter. Please have a round of applause for Rafia. Now the question is for Jannat. Yeah, sure. Jannat, what do you wanna do?
I wanna take rest.
Make it again. What do you wanna do?
I wanna take rest.
So, you know what? Jannat is likely to take a rest. Have a round of applause for Jannat. Who is gonna perform? Aisha or Khadija? Khadija? But I would love to ask questions to Aisha. Where do you wanna go? Where do you wanna go?
I wanna go to my home.
That's a good one. Have a round of applause for Aisha. What's your name, dear? Simon. Sohana. Sohana, why are you smiling?
Because I'm happy.
Because you are happy now. Please have a round of applause for Sohana. What's your name, dear? Juthi. So can I ask you a question, Juthi? Okay. So if I'm gonna ask you, what do you wanna read?
I wanna read English.
She wants to read English. Have a round of applause for Juthi. Now it's time for boys. Who do you wanna perform now from here? Do you wanna perform? Come over. Okay. What do you wanna think? How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm good. So, dear, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Okay. So, tell me, what do you want to play?
I wanna play football.
That's a good one. Can I ask you a question?
Yes, you can.
Okay. The question is for you. What do you want to watch?
I wanna watch cartoon and TV.
TV. That's a good one. Ahnaf, stand up, dear. How are you?
Oh, fine.
Is it everything okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now, my question is for you. What do you want to be in future?
I wanna be a doctor.
A doctor? Please have a round of applause for our future doctor. Have a big round of applause for sure.